Yes, so the collaboration with ExcelR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if ExcelR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with ExcelR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank ExcelR for being a part of it.
very much interested in learning digital marketing course for a very long period of time, but I don't get a proper platform. So later for my college, I get to know about ExcelR and I enrolled in ExcelR course. It was really good experience. Our course has been taken by Mayur sir, and he was very good teacher. He not only focusing on theory part, he is doing how real digital marketing works, and it was in total very good experience. I get so much of knowledge. Here they're not only focusing on study, they're also conducting different exams to test our knowledge. And as we are giving the exam, so to appreciate our work, they give certificates for the toppers, and along with the certificate they give hampers. Thank you, ExcelR.
Recently, I was searching for digital marketing courses online in Google, and I came across ExcelR, and I attended a digital marketing course which was for 15 days. My mentor Mayur helped me for attending these classes. So he is a very informative and helpful guy. In the course end, there is a exam which I topped, so I came to the ExcelR office in Bengaluru. This digital marketing course has helped my career and my skills to develop, and the certificate has helped my company to join. Thank you, ExcelR.
I came to know about this course from my college. Actually, for learning platform, this is very nice, and I learned from here ChatGPT and AI from online. Because he's teaching for me for AI generative and ChatGPT. We are using this technology in more. And after finishing the courses, I came for collecting the certificate. I seen the classrooms and faculties. Classroom is very nice. After the completion of exam, they will give gift and certificates. Thank you, ExcelR, for giving these courses. I learned a lot from this. I gained the more knowledge from here. And thank you for ExcelR for teaching us.
Hello guys, I'm Vikram Mahajan and I'm studying in Swami Vivekananda Institute of Technology College, and I came across a training program which was mobile app development using Flutter, which was given to us by ExcelR Solutions. I came across this program through my college faculty who told us about this program, that it is a very good course and you should enroll in this course. So I enrolled in this course, and initially I felt really good about this course because they started everything from a very basic point of view, that even if someone who doesn't know anything about Flutter or anything about mobile app development can also learn the same way the ones who know about it are learning. So no student was left behind and everyone was given equal attention. All the doubts throughout the course were cleared. And if we had any questions also, we were like, the trainer was also ready to stay for a longer time than it was scheduled, even for the sake of doubts. So that shows how important the students are to them. So it was a really good experience with ExcelR's program, and by the end of the training program, I was able to develop my own application. And through the development also there was another point. So our sir taught us about how we can connect our own mobile phone to our laptop and write code in our laptop, and you can see the output in your phone. It was really creative and interesting for me. I felt really good about that. So in the end, I developed my own mobile application. I showed it to my mother, I showed it to my friends. I felt really good about it. So I would really suggest ExcelR. I would recommend it to all my friends to take courses from here, as they focus on the children, focus on the students, and they focus on what's necessary, that is the students' doubts gets cleared and everything else. So today I came down to the ExcelR office to collect my certificate. So I got to know about what other courses ExcelR is offering. It included data analysis, data analyst, social media marketing, and full stack Java, and many more courses which were interesting, and they gave us an insight of how everything happens, and they take you through the course from the starting of the course to the end, and what next, that is placements as well. How you should be going into the interviews and how you should be approaching to companies, your resume building, and there were so many things which ExcelR is going to help you in, and they are ready to give you all the knowledge required even if you are a beginner. So I really felt good about this visit, and I would really recommend ExcelR to everyone who's listening to this, and also to all my friends, that I had a very good experience with ExcelR, and I would suggest you to experience the same. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Satish and I am from Swami Vivekananda Institute of Technology. I am here to share my experience about ExcelR program. I took part in the ExcelR program that was conducted in the last month about the mobile app development using Flutter. What I liked the most about this session was the trainer started from the scratch. That means even the beginner who don't know about the basics of the program, even they can learn the most from this program. It gave me hands-on experience by developing a project which was the final outcome. Thank you ExcelR for giving me this opportunity, and I would also recommend all my friends to take part in the ExcelR programs. Thank you.
Start it, Amar.
We'll wait for a few minutes, sir.
Okay.
You can start, sir.
Good evening, friends. Hello, is it audible? Give the confirmation to me. Give the confirmation to me in the chat box. Hello, is it audible? Yes, sir. Guys, so you people should active because we are discussing the data structures. Very, very important topic. We are discussing stacks, so queues, so linked list, time complexity, space complexity. We need to discuss this week. You people should active. Fine. Now in the yesterday, which topic we completed? Yesterday, which topic we completed? Anyone? Can anyone tell me which topic we completed yesterday? Stacks, no? We completed stacks in the yesterday session. In the stack, how many operations we completed in the stack? In the stack, how many operations completed? First one, push operation. Please chart with me. First operation is the push operation, and second operation, pop operation. Third operation, peak operation. Next one, display operation. Next one, search operation. One more thing is the search operation also we completed here. Am I right or not? Fine. Next one. And here, and another thing. Now, in the today's session, we will discuss one more very important data structure. Then that data structure we can call queue data structure. Can you tell the name of the data structure? Can you tell the name of the data structure? Reply. You chart with me, not 1 or 2%. Sir. I think even though if you are not answering for the previous classes, I won't bother about it. But coming to here, you people need to answer. Coming to the stack, queue, linked list, time complexity, space complexity, you people need to answer. No more option. Fine. Now, here, this is the queue. Whatever we have, this one we can call the queue. Now, here, insert 10. I wanted to insert the 10. So 10 inserted. And insert 20. I wanted to insert the 20. Try to insert the 20. 10 inserted here, 20 inserted here, 20 inserted here, and insert the 30 also. I wanted to insert the 30 also. 10 inserted, 20 inserted, and 30 also inserted here. 30 also inserted here. Next one is the here I wanted to insert the 40 also. Try to insert the 40 also. 40 also I wanted to insert. Fine. Now see this one. So then this portion we can call front portion. And then this portion we can call rear portion. The first portion we can call the front portion. The back portion we can call the rear portion. Fun. Who inserted first? Who inserted first? Answer. Who inserted first? Chart with me. Data structures are very, very important. Who inserted first? 10. Bhavya. Who deleted first? Who will delete first? 10. So then that principle we can call FIFO. FIFO stands for what? FIFO stands for what? First in, first out. FIFO stands for, coming to the FIFO stands for first in, first out. Whatever the principle we have, then this principle we can call first in, first out. And stack follows which principle? Stack follows which principle? Can anyone tell me stack follows which principle? At least one person. Stack follows which principle? One second. LIFO. And coming to this one. This one follows which principle? FIFO principle. FIFO stands for what? First in, first out. Done. Where to insert the data? Can you tell where to insert the data? Insert the data in rare. Where to delete the data? Where to delete the data? Deletion. I'm talking about the deletion. Deletion in the front and insertion in the right. Fine. So, are you people ready to do the coding along with me? Are you people ready to do the coding along with me? Answer yes. Do the coding along with me. Go to the online compiler. Go to the online compiler. What is the yesterday compiler? Yesterday we taken some compiler. No? Can you tell the yesterday compiler, online compiler? Take this compiler care, not an issue. Fine. Whatever the queue operations, you wanted to do, that operations I wanted to place into a separate file. So what is the name of the file? The name of the file is the queue operations. And name of the file also, I wanted to place the name of the file. The name of the file is the queue operations. Guys, I need the execution from all the people. I won't leave it. Remember that one. I won't leave it. You people need to do the execution along with me. Then only you can get the benefit. Otherwise, no benefit. I'm sharing the online link here. I shared the online compiler link. Everyone need to do along with me. Please open that one. Not to 2 to 3 members. Everyone, whoever present in the class, everyone need to do that one. Everyone, whoever present in the session, everyone should do that one. Already I sent the link. Please open that link. Do the coding along with me. I'm requesting all the people. You people need to do execute the code. No more option. Fine. Now delete this code. Whatever the code we have, that code we need to delete. Fine. Now, can I take some variables like a front variable, rear variable, capacity variable, and one array also? Can I take one array also? Reply. Can I take one array also? Try to take one array also. Fine. Now, try to say this one. Here we need to take the some variables. Try to take the some variables here. Private, int, private int, front variable, next one, rear variable, next one, capacity variable. Here we need to take one more variable, then that variable we can call capacity variable. First variable is the front variable, second variable is the rear variable, third variable is the capacity variable. Let me take the 3 variables. Now take one array also, because I want to perform queue operations on array. So that's why let me take the one array. How can we take one array here? Private into array queue. Automatically we can take one int array also, because all queue operations I wanted to perform on queue. That's why we need to take the private into array queue. Next one, and initialize it. I need to initialize it. So let me initialize it here. Here we should be in a position we need to initialize whatever the instance members we have. That instance members we need to initialize it. So how we need to initialize it? Initialize instance members. Fine. To initialize instance members, we need to dependent on constructor. So with the help of constructor, we need to initialize the instance members. So how we can take it? So let me take it again. How we people need to take it here. Let me take it here. We should be in a position we need to take it. How we can take the constructor? Let me take the constructor here. Public, no, public here. Queue operations. Public queue operations. Now take the into size. Into size. So now pass this size to the capacity. How can we pass that size to capacity? Capacity equal to size. Next one, and another thing. Make the queue as the empty. Initially, queue is the empty. How we can make front equal to rear equal to 0. Front equal to rear equal to 0 means initially queue is empty. Whatever the size we have, we should pass that size to the queue. How can we pass to the queue? Say this one. Queue equal to new integer. New integer of q equal to new integer of size. Q equal to new integer of size. Q equal to new integer of size here. Automatically we can pass it. Whatever we have, we need to pass it. Fine. Now, Bhagat say this one. How many variables we taken here? Anyone? If someone want to unmute, please unmute. Binasri. If someone want to unmute, please unmute yourself. Dinesh, Dharani, Darshini, everyone. Can you talk with me here? How many instance variables we taken here? 4. First one, front variable. Second one, rear variable. Third one, capacity variable. Next one, we taken one more variable. The one more variable is the keyword. Q variable we taken care. And we done initialization with the help of constructor. We done initialization with the help of constructor. So let me go to the main class. This is the main class. Inside the main class, create the object to your class. Whatever the class you created, we should create object to your class. Q operations equal to Q operations equal to new Q operations of 3. Say this one. Q operations equal to new Q operations scale. Here, whatever the number we have, here we have the number. That number stored to size. Here, whatever the number we have, what is the number we have? 3. That number stored to size. And same size applicable to Q also. And what is the capacity here? Capacity is the 3. Fun. Chart with me. What is the capacity now? What is the capacity now? Reply. What is the capacity now? 3. And what is the front and rear values? What are the front and rear values? 0. What is the size of Q? What is the size of Q? The size of Q is the 3. Now the size of Q is the 3. Fine. Can you please do up to now? Please do up to now. You people need to do up to now. I will wait for the some time. Please do up to now. I need output from the all the people. All the people, everyone need to do along with me. Karthik, Sneha. I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting here. You people need to do. No more option. Guys, done now? I'm waiting. I'm expecting the reply from you people. Is it done? Aditya Sai, remaining people, I'm giving the sufficient time to you people. I'm giving the sufficient time. You people need to do that one. Yes, can I continue? Can I continue? Bhavani, reply. Yes, Karthik, say this one. Karthik, can I put the focus on? Can I put the focus on like inserting the element, add the element to you? Yes or no? Otherwise, some people they're calling Enqueue. Some people they're calling what? Enqueue. So can I write the code for the Enqueue process? Can I write the code for the Enqueue process? Yes. How can we write the code for the Enqueue process? Fine. Public void Enqueue. Enqueue. Fine. Here we need to pass into data. Yeah. If queue is full, assume here. Queue is full. Can I perform addition operation? If queue is full, reply Karthik. Sneha, reply. If queue is full, can I perform addition operation? No, not at all. So how we need to do it? If rare if rare equal to capacity, that we need to insert from the backend itself. Na? we need to add the element at a rare. We need to delete the element at the beginning. So that's why we need to pass the rare equal to capacity. Rare equal to capacity here. So if it is a rare equal to capacity, then I need to go to the system dot out to data. System dot out to dot println. System dot out to dot println of system dot out to dot println. Simply we need to pass the system dot out to dot println of queue is full. Queue is full. Queue is full, and we need to terminate it. How we can terminate it? Return. Otherwise, we need to insert the data na. We need to insert the data. Where we need to insert the data? Rare or not? Rare. What is the rare value? 0 na? 0. So how we can insert the data? Yeah, say this one. Queue of rare. Rare equal to data. So whatever the data we have, that data we need to insert in the rare. Rare in the sense the index is the 0. After inserting the element, we need to increment the rare value now. Bhavya, we need to increment the rare value now. Whatever the rare value we have, that rare value we need to increment it. Rare plus plus. Here we need to go for the rare plus plus here. Next one, and another thing. One more thing is the try to see the another thing here. Here we need to pass the println. Here simply we need to pass the println here. Println element added successfully. Element added successfully. Now here we need to pass the what we need to pass here data. Which element added successfully? Then that element I need to pass it up. Are you people okay with this logic, or can I repeat again? Are you people okay with this logic, or can I repeat again? Reply. Chandana. Chandanapal. Respond Chandanapal. Chandanapal respond. Please unmute. Unmute Chandanapal.
Yeah, so hello.
Yeah, please tell me Chandanapal. What is your query? Chandanapal, if I ask you, then you need to reply the question. Fine. Next one. Here, guys, see this one. Here, how to know queue is full or not? How to know queue is full or not? Rare equal to rare equal to capacity. Rare equal to capacity. Then we can say queue is full. And if the queue is full, we need to perform the addition operation. We are unable to perform the addition operation. So that's why we need to go for. That's why we need to bring it up. And one more thing. One more thing is the here. Queue, I think whatever the data we have, that data we need to insert in rare. But what is the value of rare? 0. But after inserting the data, we need to increment the rare value now. Whatever the rare value we have, that rare value we need to increment. Fine. Now, guys, see this one. Can I call the Enqueue function? Yes. Happily, we need to call the Enqueue function. Try to call the Enqueue function. Here, queue operations dot Enqueue of 10. Enqueue of 10. So I wanted to insert the 10. Yes, say this one. Element added successfully. Which element? 10. And add the 20 also. We should be in position we need to add the 20 also. 20 added. 20 na, I want to add the 20. 20 added successfully. And add the one more element also. I need to add the one more element also. Try to add the one more element. 30. 30 also added successfully. And here add the one more element also. I'm trying to add the 40. I'm trying to add the 40. Are we able to add the 40? No, no. What is the message we are getting? Queue is full. Fine. Take the 5 to 10 minutes of time and implement this logic. Take the 5 to 10 minutes of time, then you people need to implement this logic. I need the result from all the people. Not only listening the session, you people need to do it along with me. Can you get the confirmation? Once completed, give the confirmation. I'm waiting here. Then you people need to see the output also. I'm sharing the code snippet also. I'm sharing the code snippet also. You people need to do this one important. Without data structures, we can't move as a software engineer. We can't proceed like a software engineer. Remember that one. Everywhere data structures are there. Everywhere, wherever we go, data structures are there. Hello, are you people there now? Can you get the chat message? Once completed, then I will go for the deletion operation. Do the chart with me. In the chart message, give your confirmation whether are you people able to do the insertion operation. Yes. Can I go through the deletion process? Can I go through the deletion process? Reply. Yes. Let me go through the deletion process. Delete element. Then, yes, Bhavya, do it, Bhavya. Do it. I will wait for the 5 more minutes. So please do it. Whoever doing, please do it. I'm giving the sufficient time to you people, not 1 or 2 members. Whoever present in the session, everyone able to see the result. Bhavya done na? Bhavya once done, then I needed to go for the coding. Yes. Now go to the delete element. To delete element, then I needed to go to. Then I wanted to create one function. Then that function we can call the Dequeue function. To the Dequeue function. Through the Dequeue function, I needed to go for the delete operation. So how we can perform? Fine. Create one function, public void Dequeue. Public void Dequeue. Simply, we need to go to Dequeue function here. Now assume this one. Assume this one. If a queue is empty, if a queue is empty, can I perform deletion operation? Reply Sneha. If a queue is empty, we can't perform deletion operation. And check this one. If friend equal to where, if a friend equal to where, so what is the meaning? What is the meaning? Q is the empty or not? Because of friend and rare both are the same. Meaning is the Q is empty. Fine. Here we need to pass the println. Println. Now try to observe this one here. Q is empty. Q is empty. And we need to return it because I wanted to stop it. Fine. And one more point. You people need to tell. You should delete from beginning itself, na? Front itself, na? Am I right or not? We should perform deletion from the front itself. Am I right or not? How? Assume this one. deletion in the sense, just a simple logic here. Go for the shifting of element. See this one. 20th element I wanted to shift to which position? First position I wanted to shift it to which position? Guys, give the reply now. If you get the reply, then it's good now. 0. Under. And one more thing. One more thing is the shift. Shift 30 to the shift 30 to the which position? Which position? First position. Am I right or not? Under. Shift. Shift. Which position? 40. Shift 40 to the 30th position. Just shift it. You need to shift it. Fine. Once if you shift, 10 will delete or not? 10 will delete, 20 will delete, 30 will delete, and 40 will delete here. Am I right or not? 10 replaced with what? 20. 20 replaced with what? 30. And 30 replaced with what? 30 replaced with what? 40. Am I right or not? And anyhow, we need to delete this position. Whatever the position we have, then this position we need to delete it. Then can I say this is nothing but the deletion of element? Can I say this is nothing but the deletion of the element? Reply. Can I say this one is nothing but the deletion of element or not? Whatever we have, then this one we can call the deletion of element here. So how we need to handle it here? How we need to handle it here? Here, observe this one. We need to observe this one here. Here, shifting now, we need the shifting now. But before shifting here, so which element for the confirmation purpose, I need to take it int removed element. Removed element equal to removed element is the 10 or not? What is the 10? Front or not? Front. So here we need to pass the Q of front. Just for the confirmation, no use of this line. No use of this line, just for the confirmation, I'm taking that one here. Next one. And here another thing. For int I equal to 0. For int I equal to 0. Next one. I less than I equal to 0. I less than rare minus 1. Because last element I need to anyhow it will delete or not. Last position anyhow we need to delete it. Next one is the I plus plus. Do the shifting operation. How we can do the shifting operation? Q of I. Q of I equal to Q of I plus 1. Q of I equal to Q of I plus 1. Automatically we can shift it. Say this one. First position shifted to 0th position. Second position shifted to first position. Third position shifted to second position here. So automatically shifting will be happening here. Next one. After shifting happening here, then we need to decrease the rare value now. What are the rare value we have? That rare value we need to take because last element not there now. Do we have the last element? Last element not there here. Last element not there. So that's why we need to pass the rare minus here. Fine. Are you people okay with this one? Or can I explain the logic again? Chandanapal, Sneha, Chandanapal, Sneha, someone reply. Okay na? Saminini, Ritvita. Yes. Now try to observe this one. And one more thing. We need to convert. Try to say this one. We need to convert size of 4 array to 3 size na. After deleting, we need to convert size of 4 to capacity 4 to capacity 3. Capacity 3 to capacity 2. Capacity 2 to capacity 1. Bhavya, am I right or not? Am I right or not? So, based on the rare value, we need to create new element or not. How we can create a Q equal to arrays dot copy of arrays dot copy of and here we need to pass the Q comma rare. Fine. Listen here. Very simple point. Based on a rare value, if rare is 4, Q will be 4. If rare is 3, Q is the 3. If rare is 2, Q is the 2. So creating copy of Q. I wanted to create a copy of Q. So where is this arrays? This array is available into whatever the arrays we have here, that array is available into the package again. So what is the package? Import java.util. utility.star, import java.utility.star. Automatically we can import it here. Fine. Next one. After that, we need to do the another thing here. And here we need to do the one more thing here. So what is the another thing here? Println, println, println element, element deleted, element deleted, deleted successfully, element deleted successfully. And here I need to do the another thing. I need to do the one more thing here. What's another thing here? Removed element. Whatever the removed element we have, that removed element we need to pass it here. Fine. And another thing, call the Dequeue here. I need to call the Dequeue here. How can we call the Dequeue? Now comment this one here. Comment this one. And here we need to go to the queue operations dot Dequeue. Yes, 10 deleted successfully. And do the process again. 20 deleted successfully. Now here, do the 30 again here, delete the 30 again here. Yes. Now do the process again here. Now, can we delete the other element? No. Queue is empty. Yes. Now we got the queue is empty. Fine. Do it here. Do the deletion operation. If you people are okay, then do that one. Otherwise, give the confirmation to me. If you need any explanation, I'm ready to provide explanation again. Delete this one. Now write the code and execute it. Now, can I share this code to you people? Do the DQ process, take the 10 minutes of time. Within the 10 minutes of time, you people need to do that one. Once completed, give the confirmation. Still anyone doing? Can I continue or can I wait for a few more minutes? Bhavya, Sneha, reply. How many operations we done? 2 operations we done. First one, reply, guys, reply. How many operations we done? 2 operations we done. First one, Enqueue operation. Second one, Samineni, Rikwita Samineni. Then we done the Dequeue operation. Fine. Please do it fast. I'm waiting here. Please do it fast. Then I need to go for a display operation, peak operation, search operation. Still, we have the 3 more operations with the queues. Bhavya, can I go to the other operation? Can I go to the other operations? Reply. Can I go to the display operation? Team, give the reply. Can I go to the display operation? Yes. Try to go to the display operation. We should be in position we need to go to the display queue elements. Yes. How can we display queue elements? To display public wide display. Public wide display. So I need to create one method of them. That method we can call the display method. Can you explain if the queue is empty? Assume if a queue is empty, can I perform a display operation? Sneha, if a queue is empty, can I perform display operation? No. So how we need to do this one? If Now, if reply, if friend friend equal to rare, friend equal to rare. So can we perform the display operation? Not at all, not at all. So here we need to pass the println. Q is empty. But here we need to return it and go for the displaying here. How we can display here? For int I equal to friend. I less than we need to display from the rear now. Front to rear we need to display I plus plus. Now here sys out of our println. Here we need to go for the println. Println of q of I. Fine. Now call the display method. We need to call the display method. This display method is used to do display all q elements. Now comment the dequeue operation. Q operations dot display. Now run the code. Automatically we are able to display the Q elements. Whatever the Q elements we have, that Q elements we are able to display here. Fine. Now execute the code. Do this one. Do the coding for the display operation. Take the 10 minutes of 5 to 10 minutes of time, then you people need to do. Whoever there in the session, I'm expecting from all the people because data structures are very important. Data structures are very important here. So you people need to do the coding. Coding, I think, very important. Stacks, queues, linked lists, time complexity, space complexity. These things you people need to do. Does anyone completed? Does anyone completed? Give the message. I'm waiting here. Sneha. Bhavya. Can I go to the peak operation? Peak operation in the sense reading the top element. Peak operation in the sense reading the top element. Can I go to the peak operation or can I wait? Bhavya, can I go to the peak operation? How can we work with the peak operation? Now observe this one. Here, try to see this one. Here, peak operation. Very important. Data structures are very important. Peak operation. How can we work with the peak operation? Public void peak. If queue is empty, if queue is empty, can I perform peak operation? If queue is empty, is it possible to perform peak operation? No, not at all. So now here I will do something here. We can't perform it. So if queue is empty, then we can't perform the peak operation. So else try to say this one. Here we need to say the println. Here we need to say the println of. Println of. Q of front element na front element or not. So always we need to pick the front element. Now here go through the peak operation. I need to go through the peak operation. Come into the display operation. Q operations dot peak. We are able to get the front element. Peak operation in the sense reading the first element. Fine. Now do this one. Do the coding for the peak operation also. Just to take the 5 minutes. Don't take the much time. Just to take the 5 minutes, then perform the peak operation also. Done now. Once completed, let me know. You people need to let me know once completed. And the peak operation also you people need to do. Peak operation. Once done, can I go to the search operation? Search operation. Can I have the look into the search operation? Search element available or not. I need to search. I need to search element available or not. Can I do the search operation? Yes. How can we perform the search operation here? Fine. Now assume this one. Please reply here. Which operation? Search operation. Fine. How can we perform the search operation here? Here, public. Now take the boolean. Here we need to go to the search into element. Now take the flag value. We need to take the flag value. Try to take the flag value. How can we take the flag value? Boolean flag equal to false. And return flag. Here, I need to do some coding. Which one I need to do? Can I go for the initially? I will do with the linear search. Later, we need to convert with the binary search. In the future, maybe within 1 or 2 days of time. Then I need to go for BDS, breadth, depth search. Like some other searching techniques are there. Then we need to see it. Fine. Here, take the loop. How can we take the loop? For int I equal to front, because we need to iterate from front to rear now. We need to iterate from front to rear. So that's why we need to take the here into I equal to front. Next one, I less than which one? Rear. Next one, I plus plus. Because I need to search entire queue, total queue. I need to search entire queue. That's why we need to take the I equal to front, I less than rear. Next one is the I plus plus. And if element equal to q of I. If element equal to q of I, then flag equal to what? Flag equal to true. And we need to perform the break operation. Simply, we need to perform the break operation. What are the break operation we have? The break operation we need to perform. Now, here I need to do the something. Go to the search here. We need to call the search. How we need to call the search here? Perform the search operation here. Here, how we can perform the search operation. Now, here we need to see the println of q operations dot search of 10. Check it out whether we have the 10 or not. Yes, 10 available. Now search 100 here. We need to search 100 here whether we have the 100 or not. 100 available or not? 100 not available here. So 10 available. That's why we are getting the true. And 100 not available. Then we are getting the false again. Fine. Now assume this one. Now do the search operation. Then this is search. We can call the search based on which one? Search based on which one? Search based on linear search. And we need to go for binary search also. Yesterday code only. And after that, we need to go for the breadth, depth search, depth first search. And we have some other searching techniques also there. In the upcoming classes, then I will cover the searching techniques also. Fine. Do the coding up to now. Do the coding and check it out. Just to take the less time, guys, you people are taking the more time. Just to 5 to 10 minutes of time. Then you people need to complete the search operation. Yes, nothing, I think. Bhagat, nothing. I think in the main file we need to call it, not more than that. Reply. Someone reply. Is it over? Can I go to the other searching technique? Can I go to the other searching technique? Yes, please go to the other searching technique. We should be in a position. Can I wait? Bhavya, Bhagat. Can I wait or can I continue? Bhavya, try to say this one. Don't go for linear search process. Then this is such a process we can call a linear search process. Never go for the linear search process. Instead of linear search, I wanted to go for the efficient searching technique. Then that efficient searching technique we can call the primary search. Fine. Now comment this code here. Well, nothing will happen here. Comment the code. Whatever the code we have, then I need to do comment this code. Now here go to the search operation. Next one. Which is search operation? Binary search. Take the Boolean value. Return the Boolean value. Take the Boolean value and we need to return the Boolean value. Now, answer here. Can anyone help me? I need the answer from you people. We need to take a low value, high value, mid value, something. Anyone? We need to take the low value, high value, and mid value. Sneha, am I right or not? Fine. How we need to take it? Can you help me? How we need to take it here? Int low equal to friend. Int high equal to rar. Int low equal to friend and int high equal to rar. So automatically we are able to take it here. Next one. And here take it. How we need to take the infinite loop? While low low less than or equal to answer high. Find the mid element. Bhavya. How to find the mid element? Can you help me how to find the mid element? Int mid element equal to int mid element equal to int mid element equal to what? Low plus high minus low by 2. Yeah, automatically we are able to find the mid element. Fine. Check it. If q of mid equal to element, such a success or not? search process is success or not, then our search process success. How we can intimate here? Flag equal to flag equal to what? Flag equal to true. And we need to do plus what? Break. Now else if q of mid greater than element. Sneha, Kartika, q of mid greater than search element. Sure na? Sneha, are you sure na? Sneha, are you sure na? High equal to mid minus 1. Yes. Next one. Else. Sneha. Low equal to mid plus 1. Low equal to mid plus 1. And go to the main.java and run the code. Where? Can you tell where we are getting? Check the rare minus 1. What happened? We will say true and false. Now 10 available here and false one, because high in the sense we need to go for the rare minus 1. Don't go for the high value. No. Do the coding, do the binary search operation. Once completed, give the confirmation. Is it over? Is it over? Please give the reply. Is it over? Guys, give the confirmation. Once if it's completed, give the confirmation. Can anyone chart with me? In the queue, how many operations are completed? In the queue data structure, how many operations are completed? 5. Karthik, what is the first operation? Ritvika, Ritvita, what is the first operation? Enqueue. Reply. What is the second operation? Dequeue. What is the third operation? What is the third operation? Display the queue elements. And what is the fourth operation? Fourth operation. Read the top element or peak operation. What is the last operation? What is the last operation? Search operation. Search also. In how many searches we implemented? 2 searches we implemented here. First one, 2 searches we implemented. What is the first one? Linear search. What is the second one? Binary search. So the first search operation is the linear search here. The second search operation is the binary search here. Am I right or not? Fine. Now assume this one here. Now write the answers for these questions. You people need to write the answers for these questions. Take some time here, then you people need to write the answers. Take the pen and paper and write the answers. Bhavya, at the end, please explain the answers. If you are unable to explain, then I will tell you. Fine. Take the pen and paper. You people need to take the pen and paper, then you people need to write the answers for this one here. And once again, I will share the file to you. I sent the PDF file also. Take the 15 to 20 minutes of time, then you people need to try the answer for the 15 to 20 questions. Known questions, write it. Unknown questions, then I will tell you. Known questions, I will tell you. Known questions, please write it. Unknown questions, then try yourself. Try yourself. Write down answers for the known questions. Unknown questions, no need to worry. Then I will tell you. Then take the 15 to 20 minutes of time. Then you need to take the 20 minutes of time. Write the answers for all the questions. I sent the PDF file. Aditya, all the 20 questions are done, Aditya? Aditya? Aditya, all the 20 questions are done? Yeah, please complete it fast. Someone need to unmute, so someone need to answer these questions. Abhishek. Anyone completed? Anyone completed? Aditya, I sent the PDF file. Please download that PDF file and please write it. Yes. Meet Bhavya. Can you please unmute? Can you please read the questions one by one? Bhavya, please unmute. Bhavya, please unmute and read the questions one by one. Hello, is it audible? Bhavya,
Yes, sir.
read the questions one by one.
What
Read the
is a
questions.
queue?
Answer.
A data structure where elements are accessed in a first in, first out manner. Option B.
Option is the B. Answer B is the answer. Next one.
Which of the following is an application of a queue?
Function call stack that is related to stack. Function call stack that is related to stack. A is not the answer. Next one. BFS. Break the first.
What operation is used to add element?
No.
to a
Second
queue?
one. Second one is the answer. Second one answer is the break the first set. Answer is the B.
Okay, sir.
See this one. In the second question, how many answers we have? 4. function call stack related to stack, that is related to stack. Second, breadth the first search, maybe in the upcoming classes after 2 to 3 classes, we will get it. Tower of HANA not required, not that one. In order traversal binary tree, that is also not correct. Go ahead, third one.
What operation is used to add an element to a queue? Enqueue, option B. What operation is used to remove an element from a queue? Dequeue, option D. In a circular queue, when the rear pointer reaches the end of the queue and the queue is not full, where does it move next?
Answer is the A. It moves
to the beginning of the queue.
Yes.
What is the time complexity for inserting an element in a queue?
Yeah, O of
Option A.
O of 1, big O of 1. So anyhow, that thing also pending from our end, then we will see it. Yes.
In a circular queue of size n, how many elements can be added to the queue?
N minus 1.
Option A, n.
N minus 1.
N minus 1.
Answer is the B.
Which of the following is not a type of queue? Stack queue, I think.
Answer is the D.
D.
Next.
What does the front pointer indicate in a queue? It indicates the beginning of the queue.
Yes, exactly.
Option A. What will happen if you try to dequeue an element from an empty queue? Segmentation falls.
No, what's the meaning? Element or underflow. You got the point?
Okay, sir.
Like empty in the sense what? Underflow. Dequeue means what? Underflow. If you try to dequeue an element from the empty queue, got it? Huh? Meaning is what? Underflow. And reading with the full queue, what do you call overflow?
Okay, sir.
Answer is the underflow.
A.
Next, go ahead.
What is the correct sequence of operations in a queue to implement first in, first out functionality? Enqueue and dequeue, option B. Which of the following data structures is commonly used to implement queues? Array, option A, sir.
Data structure is commonly right. No. Data structure, but use queues now, arrays and linked list.
Both A and B. Okay, sir.
Next.
In a priority queue, the element with the dash has the highest priority.
Lowest value.
Lowest value. Okay, sir. What is dequeue?
Go ahead. Read it.
Sir, I don't know about this.
The answer is the A.
Okay, sir. A queue where elements can be added at either end.
Yes, next one.
In a queue, what does ray represents? None of the above, sir. It represents back of the queue.
No. What does a rare represent? Rare means what? Adding the element. Front means what? Deleting the element. Am I right or not?
Okay, sir.
Am I right?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. It points to the next position where an element will be added.
Answer is the
A.
Next.
What is the time complexity for deleting an element from a priority queue implemented as a heap?
What's the question number? 16, no? 15 or 16?
16, sir.
B. Answer is the B. O of log n. Anyhow, I will give one a circular table, one tabular column to represent the these things like time complexities. Yes, next one.
Which of the following methods is used to implement a queue in a linked list?
Tell me, answer is the insertion and deletion. Insertion and deletion. What do you call enqueue and
DQ.
so push and pop? What do you call stack? Add and remove. What do you call array? Enqueue and dequeue related to what? Queue.
Q.
What? C. Next.
In a circular queue has a maximum size of n. What condition signifies that the queue is full?
Yeah, I think circular queue anyhow I need to discuss tomorrow here. Answer is the A. Answer is the rare plus 1 percentile n equal to friend. Then that condition. For example, in the today class, how to represent a full rare equal to capacity.
Yes, sir.
Am I right? Rare equal to capacity. What do you call? Full. But in case of circular queue, how to represent in case of circular queue, how to represent a full rare plus 1 percentile n equal to friend. Then that one we can call the full. Next, 19th.
Which queue operation has a time complexity of O of n when implemented using an array?
Deletion.
Deletion. Okay.
Next.
Which of the following is true for a DQ?
Answer is the C. Read the
It
answer.
allows insertion and deletion from both ends.
It allows insertion and deletion from the
Both ends.
DQ in the sense like coming to the today's session. Coming to today's session where we need to insert
In rare end.
rare, where we need to delete
Front end.
but coming to the DQ, we have the one more queue is there. Then that queue we can call the DQ. In a DQ, we can perform insertion and deletion on both sides. That is called as what? DQ. In a DQ, we can perform insertion and deletion in both the ends. Then that one we can call the DQ. Fine. Now, guys, so please note down the answers here. Already I sent the PDF file. Then you people need to say that one. Fine. Now, in the tomorrow session, I will cover circular queue and DQ. And the day after tomorrow, I need to cover linked list. And the next day, I need to cover the time complexity. How we need to calculate the time complexity. Next, space complexity. And we will see the one or two questions. So, last paper, already I given one paper to you, like that Accenture paper. Then we need to solve the questions in the Accenture paper. Fine. Now, if you are unable to do that one, please write the answers last 3 to 4 minutes. Check the answers. Any question you want to ask, guys? What is a DQ? Guys, what is a DQ? Reply. What is a DQ? Anyone? No one. What is a DQ? Insertion and deletion are possible both front and right answer. Double-ended queue. Yeah. Insertion and deletion possible in both the ends, like a front and a rear. Then that one we can call the DQ. Do you need any question? Any answer for the question? Amar, please hand out the session, Amar.
Sure, sir. So, dear students, I shared the attendance link. I'm sharing the once again. So, please mark your attendance and share your valuable feedback. If you guys are facing any issue, any difficulty with RMS, anything, please let me know in the chat box. I will take it. Both Zoom and YouTube participate. I'm sharing the attendance link once again. So, please mark your attendance and share your valuable feedback.
Yeah, Sony, I will share it. Sony, in the LMS portal, tomorrow I will share it. Amar, I'm leaving Amar.
Okay, sir. Sure. Thank you. Okay, so thank you so much, students. We'll see you on tomorrow at same time. Thank you so much for attending the day 10 of this program, and take care of yourself, take care of your family. Bye bye. Have a nice